Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a spiral dip in yellow and some orange. I will use cadmium yellow, light hue, cadmium yellow, deep hue, Naples yellow and cadmium orange, and metallic gold, metallic bronze and metallic silver. Because this silver, as you know, it's almost white, so I want to have some lighter outside petals and some darker center, and let's see if this will work. So I will start with Naples yellow and I will do a circle, and then I will start with spiral, and I think that I didn't do this okay. I don't know. And next will be and now I did something that it's not okay, I think, but we will see how Naples yellow and silver will play together. And next, cadmium yellow, deep hue, and some bronze, metallic bronze, some light hue, and now I will have too much, so I will go just with orange and the gold, because otherwise I will have just too much paint. Maybe I have it already, I don't know. We will see. And let's dip this. Sorry. let's leave this. So this one is for you. If you're watching, you know that I tried many times and I didn't succeed, but today it's better. But I just missed some paint here, but I will fix this because I like it otherwise and I don't want to ruin it, so I will just try to blend this. I don't know how, but maybe black here. And some gold. I will just put some gold here. Because otherwise I really like it, but no, there is a lot of silver, so I will add silver. Otherwise I think that it's okay. Just have to add some black here. And some black here. And just blend this part a little bit. And I have to add just a little paint here, because it's a blanket spot. I just didn't want to do this off camera, so you can see what I do to fix areas that I don't like. You can do this when these paintings are dry too, so if you don't like something, you can try to fix it. Sometimes I ruin my painting while I doing this, but sometimes you can fix it. So I didn't see what I have on my surface. Just try to gently move this. I think that this time I like my canvas best. A lot of times I like my plastic or skin more than my canvas, but this time I like my canvas more. Yay! So finally, sorry, finally I get some pretty cool looking rose. I think maybe a little touch here to bring these two things together. Just don't know why I didn't, maybe I didn't press enough here, I don't know. But overall I like it. Maybe it is a little too much silver here, but I think that it will dry nice. So what do you guys think? I think that it's pretty nice looking rose. So maybe I would like a little more yellow to pop. This is because of this silver, but you see this beautiful lacing on the outside petals from this silver and Naples yellow. I think that they are gorgeous. And I think that this will dry very nice too, so I'm happy. For long I tried so many times to do kind of yellow flower, yellow rose, and I failed miserably a lot of times, so this time I like it. Oh, tell me if you like it too. And if you didn't yet, subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram. You can support me on Patreon, on PayPal. So you have all the informations in the description. So have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.